Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Hope you are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. So, today I'm gonna make a beautiful butterfly for you. But before that, I wanna know if you have ever touched a butterfly. Let me know in the comments. This reminds me of my incident with her. And you know what? It happened to be the similar one that I have drawn. I was in my college canteen and there was this beauty trying to find her way out, so I tried to help her and it worked. I will attach a picture. So here it is. Now let's get started. I'm using orange sketch pens of different brands to give the different shades of orange. Filling the spaces with yellow to give a tinge. it's done. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon. Ta-ta.